If you notice this, it means you're watering your orchid the wrong way. Do you know how to water orchids properly? Turns out, I was doing it wrong for years. My friends didn't know how to water orchids either. When I showed them how I do it, they started watering theirs the same way. From that moment on, their orchids got a second life, and they started blooming like crazy. First, we need to take a look at the pot. With clear covers, you can see everything. If your orchid has whitish roots, it means it's time to water it, just like here. If you see moss or water droplets inside the cover, it means the orchid doesn't need watering yet. It still has enough moisture. To water orchids properly, get a bowl. Place the orchid inside and water the pot thoroughly, making sure every part gets water. If the nights are cold, be careful not to water the crown. If you make that mistake, the orchid might rot. Leave the flower in the bowl of water for about half an hour to let it hydrate well. After that, you can take it out. Repeat this about every 2 weeks on average. Remember what I mentioned earlier. If you see moss, it means you're overwatering your orchid and need to let it dry out.